Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can pair your Jabra Elite 7 Pro with any iPhone or iPad. First of all, just remove both earbuds from the charging case. And then you have to click and hold the left and the right together until indicator starts blinking. I mean indicators. There we go. Right now, put them close to your iOS device, go to the settings, go to the Bluetooth, turn it on and select them from the list. Right now, you can also go to the App Store and get the Jabra application. So type on the search tool Jabra Sound Plus, get this application. And right now you can open it. Click OK for all permissions and notifications that pops on your screen. Click Skip. And as you can see, we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.